In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed forms on Squarespace. Code block tutorial. We'll start by generating clean form code, then place it on your Squarespace site using an embed block, and finish by saving everything so it's live. Begin by opening Google Gemini in your browser. Create a clear prompt that describes the form you want. For example, ask for a responsive contact form with fields for name, email, and message, plus basic validation and inline styling. Mention that the code should be self-contained, HTML, CSS, and minimal JavaScript that works inside a Squarespace embed block. Press Enter to run the prompt. When Gemini returns the result, use the Highlight tool to select the full code it provides. Make sure you capture the complete snippet from the opening HTML or form tags through the closing tags. If it references external files or advanced scripts, ask Gemini to inline styles and avoid external dependencies, since those are more reliable inside Squarespace. Now, head to your Squarespace site editor and navigate to the page and section where you want the form to appear. Click Add Block in the exact spot you want it to live. From the block options, choose Embed. In the Embed settings, switch to the Code Snippet option. Then open the Embed Data field so you can add your code. Click into the Code field and paste the form code you copied from Gemini. If your code includes inline styles, keep them in place to maintain formatting on your site. If Gemini included a placeholder action attribute on the form, replace it later with your email service, form backend, or automation tool endpoint when you're ready to connect submissions. For now, focus on getting the design embedded. When you're done pasting, confirm or apply the change so the form appears in your layout. You can adjust the block's width and alignment to match your design. If you want the form to appear in your site's header or be consistent across pages, open Edit Site Header to position or style it within that area. This is helpful for newsletter signups you want visible throughout your site. When everything looks right, click Save to publish your changes. A few quick tips as you wrap up. Keep scripts minimal to avoid conflicts, use inline CSS for reliable styling, and on plans that restrict custom code, ensure you're using the Embed Block's code snippet. After saving, preview on mobile and desktop to confirm spacing, readability, and accessibility. That's it. Your form is now embedded on Squarespace using a code block inside the Embed tool.